All right, our signal has given us what we wanted. I just gave a signal today, Wednesday. The TP has hit, and I want all of us to look at it together. Okay, I am giving you an update on the signal I just posted. So here we are. This is the trade I gave. This was on Euro JPY. If you look, I gave a sell on Euro JPY. And as we speak now, Euro JPY has gone down almost 120 pips. I gave a TP of 100 pips. And then GBP JPY also, as we speak now, has given us almost 111 pips. GBP JPY2, I gave it a TP of 100 pips, right? I gave you a TP of 100 pips. So this is it. As you can see, we have gotten our TP for the day and for the week. This is the second signal for the week. I gave one on Sunday. I have just given another one now. And the TP has hit today. We are still looking at the market to see. In case we get new signals, we will surely post here. Make sure you leave your notification on and also subscribe, because more signals will come. And when they come, I will share them here for you to take advantage of. You can also be in my Telegram group. The Telegram group, I have two of them. One is free. The second one is a paid one. The paid one comes with a yearly fee of $100. And then you can enjoy signals for 12 good months. Don't ask me how many signals do I give in a day, because I don't have an answer to that. It depends on when I get a trade. I am not the type that will tell you I get 10, 15, 5, 6 signals a day. No, I don't have any calculation like that. Sometimes we can even stay the whole week without a trade. Yes, if I don't see anything, I won't give you anything. So that is how the VIP group goes. If you want to be in it, it's just $100 for 12 good months. So that is up to you to decide. We have the free one too. You can join the free one too. And all you need to do is just go to the description of my videos. You will see the link to join my free Telegram channel. Okay? The link to join the free Telegram channel is at the description of almost all my videos. Just go to the description of my videos and you get the link to join the free one. But if you want the paid one, you have to pay $100. You can pay through Western Union. You can pay through bank transfer. You can pay through Bitcoin or USDT. You can pay through world remittances and so many other means. You can pay through many of the platforms that are available. And once your payment is received, I will add you to the VIP group where you can enjoy signals for 12 good months. So that is how I do it. If you also want, you can be on this free YouTube channel, Leading Forex, and new signals will be posted all the time. And once they are posted, like I did today, you can also benefit and enjoy. So this is it. Let's stay calm and wait patiently for more signals and for more trades here on Leading Forex. I'll see you again with another trade. Take care.